So after saving money for so long, I have finally bought it. This is the latest iPad Pro M4 2024 model, and today in this video we are going to do the unboxing and quick review of this unit. But actually I had to open it up at the time of delivery to check if the product is actually in the box or not. So this won't be a true unboxing video, but I haven't opened the paper wrapping of the iPad yet, so I will have the first impression with you guys. So let's open up the box of this iPad and have a first look on the device itself. So here is the beast itself. So the variant I got is 11-inch with 512 GB of storage in space black color, and this is freaking slim. It's very slim. I had the previous iPad Pro, but that was not as slim as this. So let's check what else we get in the box. So here are some pamphlets, and Apple have finally removed the sticker, and a standard 20-watt USB brick. And also in the box we get a type C to type C braided space black color USB data cable. So let's put all these aside, and now let's peel open our iPad. So the first impression that I got from opening this iPad is just wow. I personally like the silver color, and I wanted to buy the silver color, but that color was out of stock. But this space black color is not less in comparison to the silver one. I actually like this a lot. So this iPad have a quad speaker setup which produces a very loud and clear audio according to the reviews that I have seen on the YouTube. And also the speakers on the previous generation iPad Pros were also phenomenal, as I had used them once. So now let's boot this thing up, and I will quickly set it up and show you how it feels to use this new iPad Pro. So after setting up the iPad, the first impression is just wow. The screen is very vibrant and responsive with this ProMotion display, and the feeling of using this iPad is just next level. Now let's try the camera of this iPad very quickly. The camera on this iPad is actually good, which is rare considering it is an iPad and very less amount of people use cameras on iPad. So now let's test the display quality of this iPad. I will play a 4K video and you be the judge yourself. So if you want an iPad for content consumption, then you can't go wrong with this iPad. You can see how good the colors are. Now let's quickly do a speaker test.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Since this iPad comes with Type-C port, we can directly attach Type-C accessories to it and access the data on the pen drive and SSDs directly from the Files app on the iPad. So we finally have reached the end of the video. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel, like the video and share this video with your friends. And also if you want a detailed review of this iPad, the target of like for this video will be 500, after which I will make a detailed review of this iPad